with your sixth chapter, that is Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, so we are going to discuss about these four topics, that adding text into a new placeholder, saving a presentation, closing and exiting a presentation, and opening a presentation that is already saved or exists in the file menu. Okay, so we are going to discuss about these four topics in very detail. But before starting these topics in this video, I am going to just be remembering you that if you are a new viewer in my channel, go there and subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, select all from the list so that you can get the notification of my video very firstly, and make sure that you just simply share this video with your friends and colleagues so that they can also get such type of wonderful information about such topics in very detail. So let's get started with the first topic, that is adding text into a placeholder. So to add text inside the placeholder, follow these steps. Means you have to simply basically this chapter is based on operations. Okay, so we have to just simply follow the steps to do any type of command or to do any type of work or to do any type of thing in the presentation. So we have to perform an operation, and before performing an operation we have to just simply follow some steps. After that we can execute that command or that thing. Okay, so click on the click to add title placeholder. Okay, means the first heading, that is adding text into a placeholder, means when you simply open the presentation software, that is Microsoft PowerPoint, when you open just simply, then after you will find that the first window, or we call the home window of the presentation PowerPoint software, there will be a white screen. Okay, there will be a white screen just in the right side or might be in the center of that window. That is called the working area, where you just simply add whatever you wanted to add. Okay, so where you find that there are two placeholder, means the title and the subtitle. Okay, means click to add the title or click to add the subtitle. So just simply these two rectangular box are called the placeholder. So when you just simply click inside it, you can just simply find that there will be a blinking vertical line just present in front of you, that is called the cursor. And after that, when you just simply start typing, you will find that the cursor is moving from left to right, and that showed that you are adding the text in the placeholder. So now the cursor appear, as I told you, when you just simply click once a time in the placeholder, you will find that the cursor appear in the text box, type computer department. Okay, means you just simply whatever wanted you to type, you can type, but in this book they says that type computer department. And after that, click inside the add to subtitle placeholder. Now just below the title placeholder, you will find that there will be a subtitle placeholder. You can easily just simply click on it, and after that type learning with fun. Okay, now in the subtitle you just simply mention that type learning with fun. You will notice that the enter text appear on the slide. Means when you just simply add all over the text whatever you want to, or whatever your idea is to be there, means the heading or the subtitle of that presentation, when you edit it, after that you will find that the particular text that you added is also added in the slide. Okay, now the second operation of this topic is saving a presentation. That when you just simply complete a presentation, means whatever your views or ideas over there in your mind, you can just simply convert it in the on the presentation. After that you wanted to save it. Okay, so how could you save it? As previous in the WordPad. Okay, when you are just simply working over a WordPad, when you are just simply typing a document over there, and you have just simply there will be a shortcut key that is called Ctrl plus S. Okay, so when you just simply press that two keys, you will find that save as dialog box will appear in front of you in a pop-up style, and you just simply type the name of that file in the file name box, and after that you can just simply click over the save button or press the enter key, and you will find that your particular file will save in the presentation software. Okay, not on the presentation, in the WordPad software. But how would you just simply do? So same as the WordPad, you can also complete your saving operation in the presentation software. How could we So it is important to save your work at regular intervals so as to avoid data loss because of any hardware or power failure. Means this is a very good point. I will just simply recall you and told you in very detail that when you are suppose doing any type of work, okay, so you have to means when you are doing any type of work in a computer system, okay, there are two type of problems: the hardware problem or might be the software problem, okay, or the power failure. This power failure is basically very important because many times light will cut, okay, so after that the computer goes shut down, and after that whatever you type the data or making the project over there will get lost over there, okay. So you have to just simply save that file time to time, okay. Means first you have to just simply, suppose you are typing a file, and after that you will just simply save that file, and after that when after 1 or 2 minutes later you just simply press the control plus S key so that that particular file will also save as, okay, because if the power goes off, all the data that you just simply entered in the WordPad or in the presentation software will also goes off. Now after that, follow this step to save a presentation. Means how can you just simply save a presentation? So these are the following steps by which you can just simply save a document. So first of all, click on the save button, present on the quick access toolbar, or select the file tab or save option. Means there are two ways. You can just simply click over the quick access toolbar. There will be a quick access toolbar at the top of the window. You can just simply find the quick access toolbar, or you can also click on the file tab, okay, file, you just simply click on the file tab, and after that you will find there will be a option that save, and after clicking over the save button, a save as dialog box window, means the save as window will come in front of you in a pop-up style as I told you when you simply, or you can also press the control plus S key combination together, and after that you will find that a pop-up window will appear in front of you, and that window is of save as window, okay. Now after that, specifying the name that my presentation in the file name text box, click on the save button. Means whatever you want to type the file name on that particular file that you made it, after typing the name of the file in the file name box, you have to just simply click over the save button that is in bluish color, and after clicking over that, the presentation will save with the name of my presentation and with an extension of .pptx, okay. Means this is the extension, file extension name of presentation software. So you have to just simply learn that, because many times in the exam it will ask as that what is the file extension of presentation software. So what is that? .pptx, okay. Now the third topic of this video, that is closing and exiting a presentation. That suppose you have just simply finished your presentation, you save that, and after that you want to close it. How could you just simply close the presentation software? So here are some ways by which you can just simply close your presentation software with the help of this step. So closing a presentation means, suppose you create a presentation, you save it, but you wanted to close the presentation because you wanted a new presentation over there. Then how would you do this? You click on the file tab. Again, you just simply find there will be a file tab in the ribbon, and after that click on the close option, okay. When you just simply click over the file tab, you will find that there will be a menu in front of you, and in the last of the menu you will find that there will be option of close option, okay. So the presentation will be closed, but the PowerPoint application window will remain open. Means that particular presentation that you opened or created is just simply closed, and your presentation software means PowerPoint, Microsoft PowerPoint will open in front of you. But if you wanted to close the application also, to do so, you have to just simply follow this step, that exiting a presentation to close or exiting PowerPoint application. The first step is to click over the close button on the right corner of the title bar. Means in the right of the window there will be a cross button, you will find that, and after clicking over the cross button you will find that your presentation software goes off, means it will turn off. Or you can also click on the file tab and select the exit option. Means again you have to just simply click over the file tab, and the last of the menu you will find that there will be an option called exit and after that you can click, after clicking over the exit button, you will find that your application, that is Microsoft PowerPoint, just simply get closed. Okay, or there will be a shortcut key also, means you have to just simply press the Alt plus F4 key combination. Okay, after that you will find that your application will just simply shut down, just goes off. Okay, so now the last of the basically last of this video, last upload of this video, that is opening our presentation. Okay, that suppose you are open, or simply just open your system, means rebooting your system, and after that you will find that you wanted to open your presentation that you created yesterday or a day after. Okay, before some days, you just simply created a presentation in the presentation software, the Microsoft PowerPoint, and you wanted to just simply open that presentation. That how do you do this? So you have to just simply follow these steps. So after that you will find that your presentation that you saved in the previous days will open in front of you, in the window screen. Okay, so there are three ways to open an existing presentation as shown below. Means there are three ways. Okay, if I am sure there are not three, there are four ways. Okay, because there is a shortcut way also by which you can just simply open your presentation that you saved it. Okay, so using method 1 or 2 as shown in the figure 6.8, the open dialog box will open. Now after that, select any file activity of the month. Okay, now after that, as shown in the figure 6.8, click on the open button. Okay, means they are showing that the first step is click on the file tab and click on the open option. Okay, means when you just simply click on the file tab, there will be a menu, and in the menu, in the third option, you will find that there will be option open, and after that, after clicking on the open button, click on the you will find when you simply click on the open button, the open dialog box will appear in front of you in the pop-up style. Or the second method is to just simply click on the open button in the quick access toolbar. Okay, means in the title bar, in the left of the title bar, you will find that there will be a quick access toolbar, and in the quick access toolbar there will be a open button already existed. You have to just simply click on that open button, and after that you will find that the open dialog box will appear in front of you. Or they also says that whatever type of presentation you have just simply created in the Microsoft PowerPoint, you have just simply find that in that open dialog window. Okay, means when you just simply find that your file, you just simply click on that over that file, and after that click on the open button, you will find that your file or your presentation will open in front of you in the particular home screen. Okay, but the third method is as shown in the figure 6.9. The browse dialog box will appear in front of you. Now after that, select the file and click on the open button. Okay, please, you have to just simply click on the where they are saying to be open PowerPoint file. Okay, means you have to just simply click on the browse slide. Means this is a very long procedure, but I am just giving you a very short procedure. That first of all, use the keyboard. Maximum time you have to simply use the keyboard. Just simply press the Control plus O. Okay, O key means the O alphabet. You have to simply press this combination Control plus O, and after that you will find that open dialog box will appear in front of you. Type the name in the file name box and press the enter button. You will find that your file will open in front of you in just 3 or 5 seconds. Okay, so don't do such type of dramas. You just follow this step by which you can just simply open your file just within 5 or 10 seconds. Okay, because if you have a very good practice over there in the keyboard, then you have to take just only 5 seconds. If you are not good typist, then you create some problem over there. So students, these all 4 topics I have just simply completed, and again I am just simply saying that so many times I have just simply saved, but some of the students are not following these steps. So just go there, go below, and subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, select all from the list so that you can get the notification of my video very firstly. And if you like my teaching style, then press the like button also so that I can get motivated over there. And students, just tune with me on my channel. Goodbye, friends.